In this video, I would like to describe another non-price determinant of demand, which is going to be the substitute products that we can have for a given good. So for instance, consider the products apples and bananas. I would like to show how the demand curve of bananas can shift because of changes in the price on the apple market. So with that being said, let's start. Suppose over here that we have the price and quantity axis for apples. Now, the yellow curve is the demand curve for apples, and suppose that we have an original price 1, an initial price 1, and a corresponding Q1 in equilibrium. However, when the price increases to P2, so we have a change in price for apples, the quantity demanded for apple falls to quantity 2, Q2 over here. As a result of that, because apples become more expensive, consumers change their consumption more towards bananas. I'm gonna write this note real fast. So because apples become more expensive, consumers demand more bananas. They substitute apples for bananas. Hope this makes sense. More bananas. Now, what happens to the bananas market? On the bananas market, there is no change in price. However, because people are shifting consumption from apples towards bananas, there is a shift in the entire demand curve to the right, meaning that people start preferring more the bananas since relatively they have a better price. Relatively they are cheaper, so they can afford them more. So the demand curve of bananas is going to shift to the right shown by this purple curve over here. Okay, that was a really bad demand curve, but I hope you can forgive that. So that's going to be the demand of bananas after the shift, meaning that at a given price level, okay, our quantity would increase from Q1 over here all the way to Q2 on the new demand curve over here. Hope this all makes sense. I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe. In the next video, I'm gonna describe one more non-price determinant of demand, which is going to be related to complementary products. And we are done.